RICHLUX. We make lighting that harmonizes with all kinds of space. From various residential lighting suitable for interior environment to large facilities, such as schools, offices, hospitals, parking lots, roads, parks, factories, tunnel security lights, street lights, tunnel lights, high-power floodlights, and even landscape lights for the streets at night. Our lighting products made by RICHLUX have a long lifespan and high efficiency, as well as eco-friendliness with low power and low carbon. We are leading the supply of new and renewable energy as a specialized construction project promoting roof-type solar power generation, solar streetlight, and building integrated solar power generation BIPV business using high-powered shingled solar modules. As a global company in the lighting field, we will continue to open a richer tomorrow with a challenging spirit and creative foreknowledge. The first factory and headquarters building in Gwangju. Plant 2 in Hampyeong-gun, Jeollanam-do. Plant 3 is being built at Bitgreen Industrial Complex in Gwangju. Our executives and employees are developing LED lighting fixtures considering customer needs through LED package circuit design and mechanical design. Based on systematic production facilities, we are committed to manufacturing and quality control of high-quality LED indoor lighting, street lights, and security lights. We secured various certifications to create the best products. We received excellent product certification from the Public Procurement Service for our high-quality LED lighting fixtures. Lighting products with CPM technology that is representative core technology are applied to fields such as homes, government offices, conference halls, hospitals, and parking lots. Lighting products with core technology and DPM technology are applied to outdoor street lights, security lights, factory lights, tunnel lights, indoor sports facilities, and outdoor stadiums. We will remake a return for our customers' support by keep developing excellent products based on constantly developing technology. We create beautiful spaces with light. RICHLUX Company Limited.